Okay, so you have your different leather seat cleaners, right? One I like is this one by Howard. You have your cleaner here, your conditioner, and then you also have one by Wyman, the conditioner. But you always want to clean it first, right? You want to clean it just like we do our hair. You want to clean it first and then condition it. So you just take a small amount, put it on your seat, and go for it, right? So let's show you how I do it. So open her up here. Get her going. I got two separate wags, one to wipe it on, one to wipe it off. So I'll kind of start at the headrest right here. Just kind of spray some on there. See it? Okay. Then I'll take it all the way down to the seat bottom. Saturate it a little bit. I'll come across it with the, let's do the green, I guess, right here. So you can see me washing it, wiping it down. All right. Just, you want to rub it in really good. And I'm just getting ready, y'all, for the winter months, okay? Because you just want to keep your leather from cracking year round. It helps. And just kind of rub it in, massage it in all the way. Sides, front, back, and bottom. Look at that. It's already shining. And then I'll leave it on for a few minutes. Let it penetrate, saturate. All right. I also have the little armrest here. Clean her up a little bit as well. Keep her going. Don't want to leave her out. And just kind of get into it. If you're like me, I just kind of get into taking care of it. I've had it for a long time. And again, the seats, yeah, they look really nice, y'all. Okay. So I'll wait a few minutes. Then I come back with the conditioner, which is this right here. Conditioner, right? Same thing. I'll just apply a little bit, not too much. And I don't normally do it this quickly after putting a cleaner on it. This is just for a demonstration for y'all to see it. Okay. See? Put it on there, rub it in, getting it ready for the winter. It smells good too. Then I just kind of put some on the back of the seat as well. Just let it trickle down, rub that in. Look at that. Yeah, wow, it's looking good, y'all. You can just get this at any furniture store, anybody that sells like wood finish products, anything like that. But again, you want to rub it in. Oh, Max Shay, rub that joker in. Here I go working out again. Then of course I do the bottom half, the bottom cushion. Sprinkle a little bit on there. Rub it in. Right? Yeah. I should have on some gloves, y'all, but I don't. And so here we go. All right? Just get every little crease and crevice right there. And she's looking good. Looking good. Yep. Then I'll just come back with a different towel or rag, right? Massage it in again. Make sure it's good. Saturated. Get it in there, y'all. Get in there. Yeah. And there you have it. So again, just do this for the winter months before it gets cold. Just keep your leather in good shape, condition. Okay? All right, we're ready for the cooler months. Keep that leather looking good and fresh. No cracks here. All right. Later.